Experience a zero-compromise unboxing with the Honor X series. This video highlights everything you need for a premium experience right out of the box. Day 1 readiness begins with the Honor X series. From the minimalist box design to the precision engineering of the device, every detail is crafted for your first contact. The series offers two distinct aesthetic profiles. Choose between the energetic, dual-tone vegan leather for a streetwear vibe, or the sophisticated monochromatic finish with champagne gold accents for executive luxury. Get a closer look at the Matrix 50-megapixel system. It features a precision-milled metallic bezel for protection, a symmetrical quad cutout design, and a cohesive black glass dome housing the advanced sensors. Capture perfect shots with the 50-megapixels main camera. It utilizes hardware-level optical stabilization, featuring mechanical sensor shift technology to ensure your photos remain sharp and blur-free. The 1.5K AMOLED display is the resolution sweet spot, balancing high clarity with battery efficiency. With a 120Hz refresh rate and 452 pixels per inch, you get smooth visuals in every interaction. At the heart of the device is a foundational engine built for flagship responsiveness. It combines 8GB of RAM for multitasking, a 120Hz display for fluid visuals, and 128GB of storage. We are reclaiming the complete experience. Each device includes a protective transparent shell that guards the camera bump without hiding its style, plus a dedicated charging brick for maximum power. Your Day 1 loadout is complete. Inside, you will find the Honor X series device, a custom-fit protective shell, and the factory-optimized charging brick and cable. The Honor X series delivers a true flagship feel right out of the box. By combining striking design, powerful core hardware, and a complete ecosystem of accessories, it provides a zero-compromise experience.